Hello dear friends, welcome my channels. Today's discussions is linear programming game theory. So friends, the problem is simplex method. So friends, I have taught Vogue approximation method. Now I am talking about simplex method. My problem is maximize x1 minus x2 x2 plus 3 x2. I have to maximize, and my subject is x1 plus x2 plus x3 less than equals to 10, 2x1 minus x3 less than equals to 2, and 2x1 minus 2x2 plus 3x3 less than equals to 0. So friends, let's start to solve the problem. So my equation is z equals to x1 plus x2, sorry, not plus, minus x2 plus 3x3, and subject to x1 plus x2 plus x3 less than equals to 10. So I have to put a surplus variable, sorry, not surplus, slack variable. This is called slack variable. So this portion, and also I left and I write in here 10. Another problem is 2x1 minus x3 and plus x5 equals to, and another problem is 2x1 minus 2x2 plus minus 2x2 plus 3x3 plus x6 equals to 0. So friends, you see that slack variables are, this is my slack variable, this portion, and this portion is my slack variable. So maximize z adjusted objective function z is the adjusted objective function z is given by z equals to x1 minus x2 plus 3x3 plus 0x4 plus x5 0x5 plus 0x6. So I have to draw a simplex table. So let's start to draw a simplex table. So whatever I get, I write in here 0 1, not 0, I just write in here 1. This coefficient is 1, so 1 minus 1 plus 3 0 0 0. Here 1 is a1, a2, a3, a4, a5, a6, and here is mean ratio, so it is C. I write down here, this is C, this is B. B is 10 or 0. You will see in here 10. This is B, objective functions, B 10 to 0. So this is B, and my vector is A4, A5, A6. A4, A5 and A6, and this is all are 0. So whatever I get, Zj minus Cj. Zj minus Cj is equal to, you will multiply with 10 into 0 0, 2 into 0 0, 0 into 0. So this value is 0, and A1 value is, A1 is equal to 1 2 2. A2 value is 1 0 minus 2, and A3 is 1 minus 1 and 3. You will see the coefficient where it is 1, this is 1, 1 2 2, 1 0 0 minus 2, and 1 minus 1 and 3. So that's why I just putting this value, and this value is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Now friends, if I will multiply 2 into 0, 2 into 0, 1 into 0, this value is minus 1, this value is plus 1, this value is minus 3, and this value is another value, this value is 0 0 0. So friends, whatever you see that this value minus 1 1 minus 3 0 0, and after that again I want to solve that problem. My pivot element is in here. What is the mean value is, this is the mean value, this is my pivot element, so I mark. So I have to change these portions. So now I will see that where the mean ratio 10 divided by 1, another is minus 1 is in here, so it is not possible, and here is 0 by 3, this is possible because this value is 0. So 0 is my start point, 0 is my start point, so 0 is my pivot element. So this line I have to change. 3 is my start point. So how can I get? So my this portion I have to, this vector change, and here replaced A3 will come in, enter in here. So A4, A5 and A3, and 0 0, A3 is 3, A3 is 3, and my it is not changing 10 2 and 0, because another factor, this portion is 2 by 3, this portion is minus 2 by 3, this is 1, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. I am changing this, and now whatever I have to do, I have to do this portion, I have to do this portion, this line should be 0, this line is converted into 0, so I write in here 0, write in here 0, and this is also not changeable, this is not changeable, this is also 1, and this portion is 1 by, this portion is 1 by 3, and another is I just adding, so it is 1 by 3, another is, if I just add this portion, this is 1 by, this is minus 1 by 3. What is my operation? Operation is R2 tends to R2 dash tends to R2 minus plus R3 dash, and R1 dash equals to R1 minus R3 dash, and R3 dash equals to 1 by 3 R3. So this is my row operations. I write in here. This is my row operation. So this is my row operations, friends. And according to the row operations, whatever I have to get, if R2 dash minus R2 dash or R2 plus R3, so it is 1 by 3, and another is minus 2 by 3, another is 5 by 3, and this portion I get 8 by 3, because 2 plus 2 by 3 is equal to 8 by 3, and this portion is plus and this portion is minus. This portion is 1 by 1 minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. I hope I can clear this concept, because you see R1 is equal to R1 minus R3 dash. So this is the calculation part. So whatever I get, friends, I get again, I just multiply 2 by 3 into 3 is equal to 1, and this portion is minus 1. This is star, because this is the another portion. This is 0, this is 0, and this is also 0, and this is also 1. Zj minus Cj. This operation is called Zj minus Cj, and this is also, this portion is always 0. Now friends, I have to find out only just answer. Now minus 1 star is the highest point, so mean ratio is 10 into 5 by 3, so it is 6 by 5. Another portion is, this is the last. Another is my minus is also, minus is not valid, so my valid portion in 10 by my ratio is this portion. So this vector, so this is A2 is going in here. So I can write in here A2, A5 and A3, and as a minus 1 star, so minus as a 5 by 3, so I need to change this portion, so I can get in here 1 0 0 portion, and 5 by 3 will become, it is 6. Must remember, friends, 5 by 3 just divisions. How can it become 1? Then it is 6, and this is 1, so I just only R1 dash double dash equals to 3 by 5 R1 dash. Three by 5 R1 dash. So I have to do 3 by 5 1 R1 dash, means this is 1, this portion, so this portion is 6, and another factor is I have to 0 these portions, I have to do 0. So R2 double dash equals to R1 double dash 2 by 3 R1 double dash plus R2 dash. So whatever I get 2 by 3, this portion is 0, and this portion I get 6. 6 is 4 plus 2, this is also 6, and R3 double dash equals to same 2 by 3 R1 double dash plus R2 dash R3 dash. So this will become also 4. This is become 4, and my Zj minus Cj is equal to 6, and this portion is my 6 by 5, and this portion is 0, 0, 3 by 5, 5, 0, and 4 by 5. All are positive, so I get basic feasible values. So how can I get this value, friends? Zg minus Cj, that I also write that is very simple, friends. This portion is 6 by 5 is coming, my Z1 value is 5 by 3, 5 by 3 into 0 into 0. This portion is coming 6. How it is coming 6, that I discuss. This portion is y4 0, that is ZB, and this is coming 5 by 3 into 0 minus 10 into minus 1 divided by 5 by 3. So this portion is coming 6. Similarly, Z1 minus C1 is coming 5 by 3 into 1 minus 1 by 3 into minus 1 divided by 5 by 3 equals to 6 by 5. This way I get in here 6 by 5. Similarly, I get other value is 0, and Z4 minus C4 equals to 5 by 3 into 0 minus 1 into minus 1 divided by 5 by 3. This is the way how to find out Zj minus Cj. So friends, this way you can solve, you can get this value. Another way is very simple. When you will multiply 5 by 3, simple calculations, this will become 0, this will become 3 by 5. Okay, I would see this is the minus 1 equals to, you get 3 by 5. I get 3 by 5. This is the way, one of the way. Another way is very simple. You just 5 by 3 you get, so it is obviously 5 by 3, and this portion is minus 5, and this portion is 5 by 3. If I divide it by 5 by 3, so this is this is 1 by 5. This portion is 1 by 5, and this portion A2 portion is, you will see my A2 is minus 1, my A2 is minus 1, A5 is 0, and A3 is 3. So this way you will also multiply, then you can get same values. So how can I get? I just simple, I multiply with 5 by 3 with 0, 5 by 3 into 0 and 10 into -1. This is the another way. 10 with -1, this portion and this portion with 0, and that's why I get 6, and 5 by 3 into 1, another portion is 5 by 3 into 1. This is this way. Another way is this way. This is the another way, that 5 by 3, 1 by 5, and this portion, how can I get this portion? I get plus 2 by 3. So you will get this way calculation. There is the large calculations. This calculation is very large. I hope you can understand this process. So my answer is x2 is equal to 2, x2 is equal to 2, x3 is equal to 4, and x1 is no value, x1 value is 0. So max z is my maximum z is 6, and here x2 is 6. x2 is 6 and x3 is 4, and max z value is my max z value is 6, because x2 is 4, x2 is 6 and x3 is 4, so it is, yeah, you can check that -6 plus 12 equals to 6.